Welcome to this video, which aims to present you the latest developments of the crowdfunding module. In order to launch a microfinance campaign, it is necessary to perform 3 steps. The first, publish the complete description of the project for which the microfinance request is made. As a reminder, to initiate the creation of a project in Vibrerlocal, you only need to access your profile, click on the Start button and enter the title of the project. The project at this stage is in draft form and is not yet visible to other Vibrerlocal members. You therefore have plenty of time to start filling in the information needed to present your project clearly. You can, of course, give access to other users of your choice at any time. To help you, the platform guides you through a series of relevant questions. You can also add documents, images and links to the existing videos. Second, publish the description of the needs that the microfinance application stands to meet. Indeed, Vibrerlocal also offers you the possibility to detail your needs, material, human, etc. by filling in a form adapted for this purpose. In this way, users of the platform who wish to support your project have all the elements in hand to understand what your needs are and how the microfinance application can be used. Moreover, by presenting this information, the community is invited to collaborate and possibly respond directly to an expressed need without necessarily contributing financially. For example, if you are looking for funds to purchase equipment, a member may be able to provide it for free of charge because they no longer need it. Before you can initiate a request for microfinancing, you are therefore asked to complete the description of your project, define your needs, and to publish them. It is also advisable to activate the option of sharing outside the site so that this information is also visible on other social networks. 3. Complete and validate the microfinance request. To initiate the request, click on the Initiate Request button and follow the process. You will need to complete several sections before you can submit your application to Vibrerlocal Association, which will review it to see if it meets the selection criteria and Vibrerlocal values. First, descriptions allow you to clearly describe your application and what the funds will be used for. By presentation text, link to existing video. Of course, you will define the desired amount. And if you agree to receive the funds in the form of a complementary currency, like here, the Becky. And you can indicate the date you would like the fundraising campaign will start ideally. In the second section, you will be able to link your request to the concerned project and to specific needs. Beneficiary. This section first allows you to indicate who will receive the funds at an individual level, for a private company or for a non-profit organization. In this example, I choose to select individual. So depending on your choice, you can set up directly your account in Stripe, our online payment platform. The Vibrerlocal platform already prepares you for this exercise by showing you the information you will be asked for in Stripe. As long as all the banking information needed to create your account has not been completed in Stripe, you will not be able to submit your application for validation. Contact and review. This section tells you automatically which Vibrerlocal association will be responsible for reviewing and validating your crowdfunding request. You are simply asked to indicate a contact person in case further information for validation is required, and accept the conditions of use of the site. Status. This is where you can submit your application for validation and view its status. Once the application is validated, you can start the campaign by publishing it, and it can be suspended at any time. Donation. Once the campaign is underway, users who wish to do so will be able to access this tab to consult its progress. To make a donation is very simple. Just click on the Participate Donation button. Just 3 steps are needed to complete your donation. The first step, your donation, allows you to check the status of the campaign, to indicate the amount of your donation, and if you wish, to allocate a percentage of your donation to the Vibrerlocal association in charge of the platform. The summary tables show you the amount of your donation, the Stripe fees, the amount that will be allocated to Vibrerlocal, the net donation for the project, and the number of VIBZs that you will receive as a gift from Vibrerlocal if the campaign is successful. These VIBZs will allow you to barter goods and services later on. Then you just have to enter your credit card details and click on Validate. And the last step asks you if you wish to remain anonymous in the list of donors and to respect the terms of use of the site and to confirm your donation. You will receive the receipt by email. If the fundraising campaign does not reach its objectives, you will be automatically reimbursed for your entire donation. Promotion of the campaign. Several options are available. First, activate the option to share outside Vibrerlocal. And publish news about your project and the progress of the campaign. News that can in turn be published on the social networks of your choice. Thank you for your attention and have a very nice Crowd4Region meeting.